it's Saige. Thanks for joining us again on Saige Advice. This week we're going more in depth on the living room. Feeling like you just can't relax in your home? It might start off in this room. Make sure you have a designated spot for items that stay in your living room, like your remote. Do you know where it's at all times? Or are you having to search for 10 minutes before you can even start your relaxation time? Make sure that you fold up those throw blankets after you're done. I know they're called throw blankets, but that doesn't mean that we just throw them around wherever we need to. Sort through that electronic bins of yours. I know everyone needs to do it, and you're always gonna say, oh, I need that electronic for the future, I need that cord for the future. I promise you don't need half of those. So make sure to go through it and donate them or throw them away. And finally, go through those books. You don't need those books from middle school still, but some middle schoolers might. So why don't you go ahead and donate those to your local library. Thanks for joining us for Saige Spiers.